In this video, I'll show you how to change your currency on Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left-hand side, you want to click on the drop-down for your profile. Now, under your profile, you want to head over to settings, which is the second option. And once you are on the settings page, you want to scroll down until you find accounting. Now, under accounting, you want to click on the second option again, which is currencies. And once you were on the currency section, in order for you to add a currency, simply head over to the top and click on add currency. Now that will automatically take you to select a currency. So if you click on the drop down, let's say we want to add a United States dollar. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and the right corner and click on add currency. Now, once you click on add currency, it will automatically show you the exact currency in which you have added. And on the right hand side, it will show you the units per AUD and the AUD per unit. Now, once you have successfully added your currency, you can add another one. Let's say this will be a New Zealand dollar. At the bottom and the right corner, click on add currency again, and it will automatically be added within your currency. Now, what you can do is add this currency or apply the currencies that you currently have within an invoice, a quote. Even when you reconcile and send your invoices, you can set a currency. What you can also do is at the top, if you click on the reporting tab, and at the bottom, if you click on profit and loss, it will show you a list of your full financial report. And on the currency, you can set this to be a New Zealand dollar as well as a United States dollar. And let's say we want to show all of these. Now, once we click on update, it will automatically change to the United States dollar. Let's say we want to change it to New Zealand dollar again. It will also change to that currency. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.